Imagine starting your day with a sense of calm, focus, and energy. Yoga can make that a reality. This ancient practice, with its roots in the serene landscapes of India, is a treasure trove of benefits waiting to be discovered. Yoga is like a morning whisper, gently nudging us towards a day filled with positivity. It imparts flexibility, allowing us to bend and not break under the pressures of daily life. It improves focus, helping us navigate the maze of tasks with a clear and determined mind. Yoga also boosts energy levels, igniting a spark within us that refuses to be dimmed. And let's not forget the enhanced mood, the lightness of being that follows a good yoga session. These benefits are not exclusive to the seasoned yogi. Everyone, from the novice to the expert, can reap the rewards of this transformative practice. Now that we understand the benefits of morning yoga, it's time to delve into some beginner-friendly yoga poses. The mountain pose, or Tadasana, is one of the most fundamental yoga poses. A foundational stone of yoga, it is often overlooked, yet it carries immense benefits. Let's explore it step by step. First, stand tall, with your feet hip-width apart, grounding your weight evenly through your soles. Lift your kneecaps, engaging your thighs, and tuck your tailbone slightly under. Draw your shoulders back and down, opening your chest. Extend your arms along your sides, palms facing forward, and reach your fingers towards the floor. Breathe, inhale and exhale deeply, feeling your body align with every breath. This is Tadasana, a pose of strength and serenity. It's not just standing, it's mindful standing. By practicing this pose, you cultivate good posture, improved balance, and a strengthened core. Moreover, it encourages mindfulness, grounding you in the present moment. Remember, the mountain pose is all about grounding yourself and finding balance. It's a reminder that sometimes stillness holds the power we seek. Next, we have the downward facing dog, a pose that stretches and strengthens the entire body. To begin, find yourself on your hands and knees. Slowly lift your knees off the floor, pushing your hips up and back. Your body should resemble an inverted V. Focus on spreading your fingers wide and rooting your hands into the ground. Your feet should be hip-width apart, heels reaching towards the floor. Don't worry if they don't touch, it's more about the intention of grounding. Breathe deeply as you hold the pose, feeling the stretch along your spine, shoulders, hamstrings, and calves. This pose is a full-body rejuvenator, increasing flexibility and improving circulation. It also has the added benefit of relieving stress, as the inverted position encourages blood flow to the brain. Remember, it's okay to bend your knees slightly if the stretch is too intense. Yoga is about honoring your body's limits and gradually expanding them. The downward-facing dog is a great pose for waking up the body and clearing the mind. Let's move on to the warrior eye pose, a powerful pose that builds strength and stamina. To start, stand tall and straight. Step your feet about hip-width apart, then pivot on your back foot to face forward. Bend your front knee, making sure it's directly above your ankle. Raise your arms above your head, palms facing each other, and look up. This is the warrior eye pose. Now breathe. Feel the power in your legs, the openness in your chest, the stretching in your arms. This pose helps you build balance and strength, not just physically but mentally too. It challenges you, encourages you, makes you feel like a warrior. It's a reminder that you have an inner strength, an inner resilience that can withstand any challenge. And as you hold the pose, you might feel a sense of confidence begin to rise. It's a powerful feeling, isn't it? Remember, the warrior eye is about finding your inner strength and resilience. The tree pose, or Vrksasana, is a balancing pose that can help you feel grounded and calm. To begin, stand tall and steady on your mat, just like a tree. Now slowly lift your right foot, placing it on the inside of your left leg, either above or below your knee. Remember, balance is key. Extend your arms skyward, reaching for the sun, just like the branches of a tree. Feel the strength and stability in your standing leg, mirroring the robust trunk of a tree. As you maintain this pose, focus on your breathing. Each breath is like a gust of wind, challenging your stability, yet you remain steadfast, embodying the resilience of a tree. Vrksasana has many benefits. It improves balance and stability, sharpens focus and concentration, and instills a sense of calm. By practicing this pose regularly, you can tap into a quiet strength within, much like the silent fortitude of a tree. The tree pose is a reminder of the steadiness and quietness that can be found within us. The child's pose, or Balasana, is a restful pose that brings a sense of peace and calm. This pose is all about surrender and letting go. To begin, kneel on your mat with your knees hip-width apart. As you breathe out, lower your torso between your knees. Extend your arms alongside your torso with your palms facing down. Relax your shoulders toward the ground. Rest in the pose as long as needed. Balasana gently stretches the hips, thighs, and ankles, promoting flexibility and relieving tension in these areas. It's not just a physical stretch, though, it's also a mental one. As you surrender into the pose, you're also surrendering your worries, stress, and fatigue. This pose is like a mini vacation for your mind, allowing it to recharge and rejuvenate. And here's a bonus, Balasana is also a great pose for digestion. So next time you're feeling a little bloated, give it a try. Remember to use the child's pose as a moment of rest and reflection. We've covered some foundational yoga poses that are perfect for beginners and can transform your mornings. Let's take a moment to summarize. We started with the mountain pose, a grounding posture that helps us connect with our breath and our body. This pose is all about standing firm and tall, just like a mountain, promoting a sense of stability and balance. Then we moved on to the downward facing dog, a rejuvenating stretch that strengthens and aligns the whole body. It's a fantastic pose to wake up your muscles and get the blood flowing. The warrior eye came next, a pose that imbues power and resilience. This pose challenges your balance, stretches the front side of your body, and strengthens your legs, back, and arms. It's a great way to channel your inner warrior and start your day with determination. Then we embraced the tree pose, a balance exercise that fosters mental and physical equilibrium. This pose is like a standing meditation, allowing you to find your center and cultivate a calm mind. Lastly, we eased into the child's pose, a restful posture that gently stretches the hips, thighs, and ankles while calming the brain and relieving stress and fatigue. This pose is a gentle reminder to take a moment to rest and rejuvenate. All these poses together create a balanced morning yoga routine that can set a positive tone for your day. They promote strength, flexibility, balance, and inner peace. Whether you're stretching your body with the downward-facing dog, channeling strength in the warrior one, finding balance in the tree pose, or seeking calm in the child's pose, each posture contributes to a well-rounded start to your day. Remember, the beauty of yoga lies in consistent practice. So make these poses a part of your morning routine and witness the transformation unfold.